Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to delete cloud saves here on Steam. Now if you're new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is go to Library at the very top of your screen, and from here find the game that you'd like to remove the cloud saves for. So for example, I'll scroll and I'll find Elden Ring Night Rain for example, and I can see we currently have the cloud status up to date. I want to right click, go down and click Properties. From here, you want to go over to Steam Cloud and uncheck this. What this does is it stops saving all of its save files up to the cloud. Once you've done that, you then want to right click, go down to Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. Once you've done that, it'll then open up the game files themselves. Click Game, and from here you want to go and find your data files in here and delete those. Now this will be different for every single game, so make sure you look this up first before deleting any files in the pack. Any questions, please let us know down below.